Welcome to Creative Design and Supply. Today we are talking about Poly T Plus. This is a one-step formula that removes chemical sizing and coats the cotton fibers in a polyester resin in one spray. So let's talk about chemical sizing. Chemical sizing is a process of coating the thread in a chemical to prevent the thread from breaking. Sizing can cause two problems. It will burn and scorch when heated. Second, it will also cause your image to fade after the first wash. Avoid using a pre-washed shirt with softener. It has been coated with the softener so the Poly T will not hold. Poly T spray when pressing, you have to make sure that your collars and seams are out of the way, or you can use a pressing pillow to make sure that your seams are not causing a false coverage to the shirt. This is causing some people to where it fades and it washes because it has not adhered and it has a false coverage on it. So I'm going to show you a little tip to help you with that. Also, you're going to use, like I said, the pressing pillow, so that way it raises the shirt up and you're pressing the Poly T spray into the cotton fibers. And if you do not have a pressing pillow, we have a 4-pack that has 4 different sizes in it for $65. You have the sleeve, and then for the baby onesies, you have a medium one and then a shirt one. For the instructions, it calls for cotton batting. I have used a shirt that had a hole in it and I cut the top of it off, so that way this is my cotton batting. No need to buy any unnecessary things if you have something lying around. Alright, so now we are going to get ready and we are going to press this shirt. I put the pressing pillow in here. I am also going to put a piece of paper over the top of the pressing pillow because I do not want the coating of the Poly T spray to adhere to my Teflon sheet. Okay, so now we are going to do the first spray and we are going to use the corners. And I am going to use the corners so that way it gives me an idea. Alright. And on this one, you are going to saturate. You're going to get a good foundation on it. And your key step is you are going to need to roll this in. Now, I have put parchment paper over my lint roller. Every sublimation person has a lint roller. And you are going to roll it in. It works easier if I just roll it on my hand. Alright. Alright, roll that in so that way it gets into the thread, and then you are going to use a parchment paper to put over the top of it. Make sure that you keep it the same way because you do not want to put that on the top of your heat press. Alright. And we are going to press this one for 330 degrees for 30 seconds. Now, when I press this down and you will see steam rolling out, that is what you are wanting to look for. Alright. Now, if your parchment paper is too thin, whenever you go to press it, it will wrinkle and press wrinkles into your shirt. So make sure that you have a thick enough parchment paper to where you won't get any wrinkles. Now we are going to do the second coat. You're not going to saturate as much, but you are going to get a coverage. Okay, and then again you are going to roll. Now we are going to repress, and we are going to repress this one at 330 for 20 seconds. Now that our press is up to 385, we are going to sublimate for 70 seconds. Alright. So I am going to center this. Alright. And I'm going to lay, now I do have a piece of parchment paper in between the shirt and the pressing pillow so it does not get on the pressing pillow. And then I'm going to put 2 pieces of butcher paper and then my Teflon sheet, and we are going to sublimate for, okay. Look. Alright. And you may have a little bit of stiffness in here, but after the first wash that will go away. And if you are on our social media, our TikTok or our YouTube or Instagram, I am going to post the wash results on this. And I do want to say that I did get a little bit of water on it before I pressed it. I let the sublimation sheet dry, but unfortunately you can see where my ink spot or where it was wet, and then you can see it on the shirt a little bit. But I will wash this and let you see how this looks. And if you have any questions, you can comment below and I will help you.